Hello students, welcome to online classes. In our earlier classes we studied about the topic name called our state, our pride. Yes, so today we will practice it again. Write the names of state in India. So what you have to write? You have to write the name, the states which are there in India. So how many states are there in India present? 28. Yes, in this slide you can see. So 1 to 28 I have wrote serial number, then name of the states: Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya. Yes, next Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand. Last 28th is West Bengal. So there are 28 states are there in India. Yes, the direction in which Karnataka is situated in the map of India, where it is situated? In the south part. Yes, so if South Indians, if they are calling you, then who will all comes under that? Yes, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, these all comes under the south part of India. So we all are called as South Indians. You might have heard. So the direction in which Karnataka is situated is in map of India is south. So how many states are there in India? 28. So recently there is a one state which is divided into two. Can you tell me that? Which are those? Andhra Pradesh. Yes, Andhra Pradesh is divided into Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Yes, you might have aware about it. I hope so. Next, here in your reader this has been given. So what you have to do? You have to write this in your classwork by saying the reader. Yes, with the reference of reader. In the page number 2 to 4, Ramesh has written the neighboring state of Karnataka and their directions. So Ramesh, like you, a student who wrote the neighboring states of Karnataka and their direction. So observe the map and write the right answer if they are wrong. So what you have to do? You have to write whether if it is wrong. First, what it said? East. In east, the Maharashtra will come. So what you have to do? Take a map of India. In that you already know about directions. Yes, students, do you remember? Have you studied this in our earlier classes? Here what will come? On the upper part, north, and on the lower part, south. This is east, west, north and south. By referring this the directions has been given. Yes. So the Maharashtra will come under north, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana east, Kerala and Tamil Nadu west, and Goa in south. Understood? Next, write the names of a district that comes under natural region. So the districts of western coastal region, page number 2 to 5, that is Udupi, Dakshin Kannada, Uttar Kannada. These districts comes under western coastal region. Yes, the second one, the district of Malnad region, which comes Kodagu, Hasana, Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga and Belagavi. Third, the district of northern plain region is Vijaypura, Kalaburgi, Bidar, Bagalkot. Yes, in the fourth, the district of southern plain region is Bangalore, Chikkaballapur, Kolar, Mandya, Mysore and Chamarajnagara. Next, in the page number 2 to 6, answer the following questions has been asked. What is the other name of western coastal region? So the other name of western coastal region is Konkana. You might have heard about the Konkanis. Yes, Konkana. to which it is called other name western coastal region is also named as Konkana. Which is the main occupation of people of western coastal region? Fishing. Of course, see, when we say the coastal region as a coastal region, when see for example like this it is there on the lower part of our India map. Yes, for example, if Karnataka you take, here near the New Mangalore, after that Arabian Sea will come, no? Correct? So this region is called the coastal region. Yes. So if sea is there, then of course the main source, what they'll take from, what might be their occupation? Fishing. Yes, it's obvious. Next, match the following. Jungle fowl. So what is the jungle fowl? It is a bird. What is shark? You might have heard. Shark is a aquatic animal. Erica nut, it is a crop. Erica nut is a crop. Iron is a mineral, and Karwar is the main city. Yes. Next, you have learnt about the Malnad region. Yes, you have learnt about the Malnad region. So what you have to do? You have to match it. First is Sahyadri. What is the Sahyadri? You might have heard in a song it is there. Jogada Siri Bedakinali. In that song, Sahyadri is a mountain range. It will explain, no? Yes, the Sahyadri is a mountain range. Next, manganese. What is manganese? It is a mineral. Sandalwood, it is a state tree. Yes, you already know that. Next, Slader loris. It is a rare animal which is found very rarely. So below that, in page number 227 only, make a list of the important things in relation to Malnad region. So here the list has been given. In that, trees, crops and cities has been given. Yes, these are the trees, crops which are grown in Malnad region, and these are the cities which are there in Malnad region. Yes, sandalwood, jackfruit, yes, hebbalasu, honey, teak, nandi, rosewood. These are the trees of Malnad region. And crops, paddy, coconut, betel leaves, pepper, coffee, tea, spices. These are the crops of Malnad region. And cities are Madikeri, Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga, Hassan and Belgavi. These are the cities which are there in Malnad region. Next, identify the wrong statement related to the southern plain. Correct the wrong statement and write them. So southern plains are flat. Next, the important animal of this region is wolf. True. The important occupation is fishery. Yes. Wrong. Why? See, southern plains, where the fishery will be important occupation? In coastal region. Yes, no? In coastal region it will be. So this is wrong. The important mineral is mica, which is true. Next, west flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. In the page number 229, there is a rivers has been given. So what you have to write? You have to write which is west flowing and which is east flowing, which I gave in this slide. Know these with the help of your teacher or elders. The perennial river of Karnataka is Tungabhadra, and the longest river in Karnataka is Krishnaveni. Yes. So students, draw it yourself. Don't ask your parents or any an elder or your siblings to draw it. Yes, draw it yourself. First time you might not get correctly, but after practice you will definitely Draw. So draw it yourself. Draw the map of India. Yes, like this you have to draw. Next, here some statements has been given. You have to try to tell whether it is right or wrong. Yes, this is very general, so you will tell. Engraving or writing names on historical movement. Yes, monuments. Yes, this means you might have saw. If you visited any historical places, you might have saw that on the walls of that somebody will be writing their name. Is it correct or wrong according to you? It is wrong. Why? Because it is a historical place. It is a duty of each and every citizen to maintain its beautifulness. So what we have to do? We should not write the or do anything on the walls of the historical places. Yes, keeping the silence in bird sanctuaries, which is correct. Troubling the tourist of a historical places and natural resorts, which is wrong. Yes, we should not trouble the tourist or any people who are coming to visit there. Hunting animals in natural resorts, which is wrong. Yes, we should not hunt. Hunting is banned in India. Do you know that? So hunting is a wrong thing according to the law. So hunting the animals in natural resources is wrong thing. Using the places near historical places for natural calls, you might have saw that some people will be using the next near to historical places, they will do the nature's call, which is wrong. Yes, next, fill in the blanks. First, in dash, Andhra Pradesh was divided into two states. In 2014, the Andhra Pradesh was divided into two states. Which are those? Andhra Pradesh is divided into Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Third, the river Kaveri takes birth at Talakaveri. Dash is called Silicon City, Bengaluru. In Asia, the electricity generating station was established in Shivanasamudra. DR A. Yes, A should be written in front of that. Shivanasamudra. Samudra. Next, dash the highest waterfall in India. Joga Falls. Yes, students, I hope you understood this lesson. Please do read at your home and write the classwork neatly, and please do read at your home. Students, thank you. Have a nice day.